My girlfriend did this at prom. Asterisk. So I'm a senior in high school, and I took my girlfriend of 2 years to prom. Everything was going fine. Until I went to grab drinks. I come back, and she's slow dancing with her ex, not just dancing. His hands were on her waist. I stood there for a second thinking maybe I was overreacting. But then she saw me, and didn't stop. After the song ended, I asked her what that was about. She laughed and said, "Relax, it's just prom vibes." I told her it made me uncomfortable, and she rolled her eyes and said I was being insecure. Later that night, I found out she'd been texting him for weeks behind my back. I broke up with her the next day. Now her friends are calling me dramatic for ruining prom. So, am I wrong for ending it? Asterisk, was he right or overreacting?